Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just made a video, but I decided not to post because it was too long. So, yeah. Evo just went in the house, and we're gonna start playing with my dog again. Hopefully, I'm not trying to make this too long. So yeah, this is just gonna be a video with my dog. Ouch. Again, ouch. Gotta sit down on this grass, bro. Max. Max is a pretty old dog. I think he's about 4 years old. Now he's been there half of my life, so. The other dog, Blackie, was there for half of my life until he died of age. But at least he had a good, long life. Then there's Bonnie and Scooter, which died because of this dog here, because they went into the road with him. But this dog is a pretty good dog. He didn't mean to kill them. What's up, bro? Yeah. I come from a biking family, so I had to say, what's up, bro? This is just Max in the shade. Oh, he likes that. He likes that. He likes that. He likes that. Oh, yeah. He likes that. So, yeah, that's my dog Max. He has grass on him now. Oh, where are you going? I'm walking on my knees, guys. And there's holes in my pants. So, this actually kind of hurts because some of the ouch, that's broky. Okay, so there's an ant over there, so I'm just gonna rest over here, or I'm gonna stand up and go over the dog in a more comfortable spot. Ouch! Shaking my booty, shaking your booty. Where you going? Hiding from the camera? Okay, he does not want to make a YouTube video. So, if you have a dog, or a cat, or any kind of animal, please comment down below so that I can pick one for my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye guys.